Standard 8, Unit 2, Lesson number 2.1. Name of poem is Vocation, written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a novelist, playwright, song composer, and painter. He was born in 7th May 1861 in Kolkata, died in 7th August 1941. Let's start the poem. Vocation. Vocation means occupation, job, profession, or business. In this poem, describe about the profession of hawker, gardener, watchman, and also describe time, morning, afternoon, and evening. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane. Every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. Gong means a flat metal bell rung to draw people's attention. Lane means a narrow road. Hawker means vendor. Crystal means glass. The speaker in the poem is a young school-going boy. At 10 o'clock every morning when he is walking to school, he meets a hawker in his lane. The hawker cries out, "Bangle, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. The boy feels that there is nothing to hurry the hawker on. There is no fixed road he must travel by, no fixed place that he has to go, and no time when he must get back home. I wish I were a hawker spending my day in the road, crying, "Bangle, crystal bangle." The boy wishes that he was a hawker calling out, "Bangles, crystal bangles." It means that the speaker wants to be free to do what he wants and go where he wants to without any restriction. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate that house the gardener digging the ground. When the boy come back from school at 4 in the afternoon, he sees the gardener digging the ground in the nearby house. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. The gardener does what he wants to with his spade. Spade means a tool with sharp edge, typically rectangular metal blade, and a long handle used for digging. No one scolds him if he gets his clothes soiled or he gets baked in the sun or get sweat. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. The boy now wishes to be a gardener digging away in the garden with no one to stop him. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman working up and down. The lane is dark and lonely and the street. In the evening, just as it gets dark, the boy's mother sends him to bed. Through the open window, he can see the watchman walking up and down in the dark and lonely street. Lamp stand like a giant with one red eye in its head. The street light is very tall, has a single red light at the top. It is compared to a giant with one red eye. The watchman swings his lantern and works with his shadows at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. Lantern means lamp. The watchman swings his lantern as he works his shadow beside him. The boy thinks he never goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. He wishes he could be a watchman so that he could work freely at night, chasing away all the shadows with the light of his lantern. Chasing the shadows means following an imaginary goal or target.